This video is for entertainment purposes only. Let's roll. Okay, so my second Seiko Turtles come in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up and we can see what we got here. Okay. Here's a second set of bands I ordered for my other Seiko. Set them aside because I'm going to put those in the other Seiko video I'm making at the same time. Okay, so let me get this thing on the phone here and get some specs going on in here so I can something to read off because I can't memorize all this stuff. Okay, so this is supposed to be the SRPE 93, and in the description this is note this is the new model designation for the iconic SRP 777. Exactly the same watch with the new Seiko model number of SRPE 93. So it's a Prospex. Let's open this thing up and see the unboxing experience here. Okay. So it's shifted on the pillow a bit. But let's go ahead and have a look. See. Okay, so there's the Seiko Turtle, the new Seiko Turtle, out of the two that I got. So I'm deciding kind of, do I want to make the patty an everyday wear? I want to switch between the two, but I'm going to go ahead and try this on for size here. Let's see, what did I pay? I think I paid yeah, $372. Okay, so I mean originally the video of the patty, I wanted a silicone bracelet. This comes with a silicone bracelet, which is what I wanted anyway. I think it's a silicone bracelet. Let me make sure. So anyways, it's a automatic dive watch. Has been nicknamed the Turtle due to its cushion-shaped case. The watch is based on the very popular 6000 range of vintage Seiko dive watches. This new model features a Seiko 24 jewel automatic, 4R36 movement, a date display, highly luminous hands markers, and treated with LumiBright for awesome low light visibility, and a screw down offset crown. The unidirectional diving bezel with a luminous pip at 12 o'clock, the little guy right there, hard Lex mineral crystal and solid edge screw down case back. The 4R36 movement is a self-winding, but it can be hand-wound. 200-meter water resistance. The watch comes on a black silicone rubber dive strap, 45mm diameter case, and includes a manual and a Seiko box. Okay, that's where I forget to. Let's check the inside of the box. Oh yeah, it's already here. Okay, there should be some papers at the bottom of it. So anyways, it's a Seiko 24 jewel automatic. 4R36 self-winding cases of stainless steel 45mm diameter by 13.33mm thick. Case back is an engraved screw-in. Crystal Seiko Hardlex brand is a silicone rubber dive strap, 22mm lug, water resistant 200 meters, and a 2-year warranty. That's what the specs are said. So I'm just reading it off the specs there. So there's the watch. There's the back of it. Get the full pillow unboxing there. Then there's some cards in here. I don't know if my card's hand signed or is it? Yeah, the other card didn't have any signatures. Some of them have signatures. I guess I don't know if that's the earlier models or what. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off the pillow here. So. You know how I messed up the last one with the metal band, and this is actually kind of the setup I wanted anyway. That's why I was glad when I put the silicone straps on the PADI edition that I have. So let's have a look here. So there's the plastic. Of course, they have the blue over the back of the case back here. So that's the inside of the texture of the silicone. It has kind of like a I don't know what you would call it. Okay, so so here's the tags. Let me take the tags off here real quick. So you have the Seiko Prospex tag and the PADI tag, which looks like a little dive tank. So I saved those. And I was going on some of your higher end watches. Some people save the stickers too. I say I'm gonna save them on the Seikos, I think. Now, how do I take these off here? Does this come out through here? I think so. Let me see what we got here. Okay, this is it, yeah. This one comes out this side. That's that. And this one comes out this side. Okay. Should have wiped the cat hair off this table. They like to sit on here at night sometimes. Okay, so let's see. Take the case back sticker, or the it's just plastic. It's not sticker. It's not adhesive. It just peels off. Put the stickers in the box, and take this sticker off here. Now it's going to be interesting to see which one becomes my the most everyday wear I got. So, I mean, I kind of was really drawn to this one here. Of course, you can trade bands too, because those are drilled out lugs on the end. That's why they say these are, some people call these band monsters, because instead of having to dig out the band, they can stick a little pin in there and remove the band pins. So let's see if we can get a good bead here on the case here. Can you see that good? And I'll hold the PADI next to it, kind of give a comparison. Okay, so let me go ahead and try this on. This band feels like I think it's a little longer. I'll have to compare the two. This band feels very comfortable. Kind of lets up on the sides a bit right here. Okay, that's actually very comfortable. Okay, so let's go ahead and set it now. So I don't know. This could be the everyday beater. This could be the everyday watch. Okay, so let's see. What is our date here? September 26th. So the way I like to set it here, there's a screw down crown. So turn that counterclockwise, and it comes out. So there's the time set there. So so halfway down. Let's see, which is it? Halfway down. Yeah, that's it. So go. Was it 1, 2, and 3? Set the time. 1 out. Here we go. Okay, so let's see. We are going to go to Monday. So that's Monday. Okay, so I'll go back through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those are like Spanish. So anyways, I'm turning counterclockwise to get those days to change. I mean clockwise. I'm turning clockwise to get those days to change, and I'll turn counterclockwise to start the dates. 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so now we're Saturday 25th, which was, no, Sunday. Okay, I need Sunday the 25th. So sweaty in here. So I'm going to turn one more day counterclockwise. I'm going to turn counterclockwise go to Sunday. Okay, there we go. So bring it all the way out. Let's change to Monday. It'll cross over to midnight. Monday the 26th. Then 3:44 p.m. Go past noon to 3:44 p.m. Okay, and it's also hacking. So if you notice that, okay, so now it's 3:45 p.m. So it's also hacking. So if you notice something here, if I pull it all the way out, the seconds stop running. So I'll bump it up to 3:45. Push it back in, the seconds will begin to run again. So I push it in again, turn clockwise, and screw down the crown. Now it's set. Of course, you know, in the time I'm not going to wear 2 watches. I'm not going to double watch it for another time zone or something. So I'll just, of course, you know, that'll probably run out unless I decide to switch watches and change over. Right now the P80i is going to get probably a lot of time on the wrist. But this one here kind of has a cool, you know, kind of more of a classic look to it. That's the bezel going around. And it looks like it's straight up and down. So there's the loom. I'll hold the P80i Turtle side by side. That turned out pretty good, huh? And this one on the P80i one here, the one I've been wearing, it stays pretty well charged through the evening. So, all right, just wanted to show you the loom and give a couple close-ups here. So that's the Seiko Turtle, and going to enjoy that. All right, I'll see you guys. So anyways, don't let anybody hate on your watch collection. Don't worry about the haters. Just let the haters worry about you.